Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a header with Webflow. This is a fundamental skill for building any website, as your header is often the first thing visitors see and interact with. Let's jump right in and get this sorted out for you. First things first, open your web browser and head over to webflow.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Webflow dashboard where you can see all your existing projects and access tools to create new ones. Now, look at the upper right corner of the page. You'll spot a button that says Plus New Site. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll initiate the creation of your new website project. A menu will pop up presenting you with several options for how you'd like to start your site. From those options, select Blank Site. This gives you a clean canvas to work with from scratch. You'll then be prompted to enter your site's name. Choose something descriptive that makes sense for your project, then click Create Site. Webflow will take a moment to set everything up, so just be patient while it loads your new workspace. Once your site is created and you're in the Webflow Designer, take a look at the left panel. Here you'll find all the elements and components you can add to your site. Click on the plus icon. This opens up the Elements panel where you can search for and add various building blocks to your design. In the search bar that appears, type navbar. This will filter the results to show you navigation bar components. Once you see the navbar option, simply drag it onto your canvas. This places a pre-built navigation bar at the top of your page, which serves as your header. Now, if you look at what's been added and you're not satisfied with it, you have the flexibility to start fresh. You can delete the navbar by selecting it and hitting delete. There's no need to settle for something that doesn't fit your vision. To explore more options, click the plus icon in the left panel again. This time, navigate to Layouts. In the search bar within Layouts, type navbar once more. You'll now see a variety of different navbar templates and styles to choose from. Browse through them and drag your preferred navbar onto your canvas. This gives you a different starting point that might better suit your design needs. Once you've got your navbar in place, you can now edit it to make it truly yours. Click on every section of the navbar, whether it's a link, a logo placeholder, or a button. As you click each element, you can type in your preferred name or text. Customize the labels to match your site's pages and branding. This is where your header starts to take shape and reflect your unique style. And there you have it, you've successfully created and customized a header in Webflow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.